How to change your Apple ID profile picture on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture of your Apple ID on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to go to your settings and then open your Apple account. Now you'll have to tap on your profile icon on the top, and now if you tap on the camera icon, then you can click a picture right at that moment and put that as a profile picture. If you tap on the gallery icon, you can choose photos from your gallery. If you tap on the emoji, then you can put any of the emoji on the iPhone as a profile picture. Or if you don't want any of those, you can even choose a memoji, make your own avatar and put it as a profile picture. And there are even more options available as you keep scrolling down. It's as simple as that. After you're done choosing a profile picture, you just have to hit done on the top right. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.